I can't believe that you just not here with me. You just stars control me. Oh, you just not here with me. Why is that if you just not with me? Yeah. Why is that you just not here with me? I can't just help it. No, I cannot. I just cannot help it. No, no, no. I just miss you. Am I do something bad? You're the only one who can stop me. Oh, me. Just me. You're just not here with me. Since you passed away, I might do something that I might need. I might get on. You're just not here with me. Oh, why are you here with me? Not here with us. Yeah. That was from my dad who passed away. Hope you guys like the song. Bye.